Hey, what's going on? First of all, I like to say happy Cinco de Mayo. Oh, my bad. Feliz Cinco de Mayo a todos mis suscriptores de México. Espero que la pasen bien hoy, que no tomen mucho y no coman mucho, que no pueden trabajar mañana y cortar esa grama. Tuve la oportunidad de viajar a su hermoso país en una vez que la Armada nos mandó para, creo que fue a Honduras, a Tegucigalpa, y mientras que estábamos ahí, fuimos como 5 o 6 días a Acapulco, y estaba hermoso, me encantó bastante, pero no he tenido la oportunidad para regresar. Pero uno de estos días lo voy a hacer. Pero feliz 5 de mayo y espero que la puedan disfrutar a lo mejor. ¿Ok? Gracias por soportar el canal. Alright guys, what I basically said was to all my Mexican subscribers, happy Cinco de Mayo, 5th of May, which is their day of celebration. And so yeah, so what I'm doing today is I'm going to put I have the Darwin grip. Let me take this off. And I know some of you guys been asking me about these holders. And basically, it was a company that used to be out there, and they're no longer doing their thing. I can't find it on the internet. There was a subscriber that said and gave me a number, but I called the number to see if they wanted me to, let everybody know about them. But I've never received a call, so it is what it is. I do apologize for you guys who want the purchase the holders, but again, guys, I can't get in touch with the company. So what I've got is the new Darwin grip, and let me show you. And it is the 3.0. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my Stihl FS100 RX and try it out for a week. I'm gonna try it out for a week. This is a string trimmer that I take with me and I use on several occasions, several properties, but it's not my primary string trimmer. So I want to try it out on this and see how it works. And then, if it works great, then I'll go ahead and put it on my 94. But to be honest with you guys, I utilize the 94 because it gives me enough. First of all, this thing, the fuel efficiency on these 94 FS94Rs are incredible. I don't need all that super power for my weekly lawns. So this is extremely a good amount of power. Fuel is pretty good. I love them. I like them. And the weight, oh man, the weight is incredible. Lightweight, extremely lightweight. So if another company is seeing this video and you have a string trimmer that is light, go ahead and send it to me. Plug. Hey, free stuff, right? Send me the trimmer, guys. I'll go ahead and try it out for you, and I'll let everybody else know and how efficient, how lightweight it is. Because guys, the reality is, when you're looking for a string trimmer, and this is not what this video is all about, but when you're looking for a string trimmer, you don't go with the most powerful string trimmer. That's not what you want. It depends on what you are doing. What do you specialize in? Do you specialize in cleanups and hitting those overgrown properties? Then yes, you need all that power. But if you're doing weekly properties, you don't need all that power. But if you only have the ability to purchase one trimmer, then of course you want the trimmer that's going to give you the power. And my main thing is the weight. We can sit up here and say, hey, you're not a man if you can't hold that weight. Guys, if you're string trimming the whole freaking day and you're doing ditches and all that good stuff, man, you need something that's light on the shoulders that you can turn around and cut out those beds and all that good stuff, right? There you go. That's my teachable moment for the for the video. All right, let me go ahead and install this. I'm not gonna do a video on the installation. I'm just install it, and then this bar in here, I'm gonna show you. This bar in here, I'm gonna kind of move it over this way just a little bit, so my additional string trimmer, the 100RX, can fit. You know, and that's what I do, guys, on a daily basis. When I come into my trailer, I'm looking for efficiency. That's what I do. I look for efficiency. You know, what is positioned where, what is the easiest way or easiest location to put what, and only take what I usually use. Everything in here, because you know it's a two-man crew, sometimes three. Everything in here is positioned to where we use it all the time. I don't carry additional stuff just in case. Well, yes, the only thing, that I carry just in case is the additional trimmer. You know, but other than that, everything in here is what we take. And to be transparent with you guys, these grips were sent to me by Darwin, but I use them. They are outstanding on the back, guys. I edge with this blade edger, and I have no issues. Everything is dress right dress. I'm really loving it, and I'm loving it to the point where I'm about to install the other edger. The other Darwin grip on my string trimmer. So that's to show you. I don't just put things on just for the YouTube purpose, right? To say that I got it, and then on a couple of my videos you don't see it anymore. Nah, if I'm using it, guys, if I put it on and I use it all the time, then my daily videos is showing you exactly what I'm doing, right? And the moment you don't see it around, then you know there's a reason. All right, enough of me talking, because I only have today's Sunday, and I want to go back and spend some time with my family. Well, the wife is out shopping, and my son is doing a band competition, so I have a little bit of free time to come out here and do what I have to do. Oh, another thing, let me tell you real quick. I'm still utilizing the same blades. I haven't had to come out here and do my blades, and they're still sharp. That's all I have to say about it. You take what I'm saying and form your own opinion. We're not going to go into they work, they don't work, whatever the case might be. It's been close to 2 months. No, matter of fact, it's been past 2 months now. Or is it close? I don't know. Check out my video history. But I'm still using the same blades, guys. And I'm not complaining. You don't see me double cutting or anything. I've been doing a couple of cleanups. But another thing that I want to tell you is that our uniform do change tomorrow. We're going into our red, which is hot weather, summertime. So don't be surprised when you see our uniform tomorrow. And yeah, let me put this grip on, and then we'll keep the video rolling. Okay, so guys, I have a code for anyone who wants the Darwin grip. I'm gonna put a link to the website in the description of this video, and use code Blades of Grass, and you'll get 10% off the Darwin grip. All right, again, code Blades of Grass, and you get 10% off the Darwin grip. All right, guys, so I have it installed, and I just moved it over just a little bit, right over there, and it's in there. So we should be good to go. Good, and all our machines are in there. Everything is good. Nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the day. Tomorrow is another day. And remember one thing, guys. At the end of the day, the end result, the only opinion that matters is the customers, right? We all do things differently. A little suggestion is nice, but when you tell me that my way is wrong, then we have an issue. Hey, man, have fun, enjoy life, have a blessed one, be safe, Pop Smoke, peace.